go for his point.
Without money, how can you join here institute?
Okay. First you tell me.
You go anywhere and watch the place
How
and how the
I
child.
will do agriculture and I will earn money.
How to?
I will sell my land
No
also.
agriculture give us
My
money.
father taught me how to do agriculture.
Father already you teaches.
No, he is not learned through going.
Without
No. That is called one of knowledge, right?
No.
without
Yes.
knowledge,
See,
how
It is also knowledge.
How to know
See, you are confusing
agriculture?
the topic only.
No,
Yes,
no,
topic
we
is
will not
education is
confuse
more
your
important
topic.
than money. Not knowledge is more important than money. You
have
education.
No.
Education, but
No.
not with
You
knowledge.
have-
See,
you have education, then you
both are important, but education is more
you have
important.
education then you earn money.
क्या बोलेंगे इसको?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
But doing education
You
also.
said
First,
that.
you have knowledge, then you will earn money. You can earn money. No. If you don't have knowledge, if you don't have money, if you don't have knowledge, then you can't do anything without knowledge.
See, for
You
earning
need-
knowledge
you
also
know.
you need money.
Yes. You need
Without
money.
money you cannot earn.
But he said
Without education, you can't earn money. Without education, you can't earn money. You agree with
When
me?
agriculture work, then give money.
Started schooling and earn money.
Yes, sir.
First you started schooling and
They
earn
can
money.
work outside also. They can earn
But
money
joining school also
without
they have to
education.
spend money.
Wait.
Yes. Every person not educated because every person don't have
But
money.
realize that every
First listen. Every person not educated because they have don't money. But they can work outside also. They can earn money through any other businesses also. Because many families struggle without money. They can't survive in their life also. So yes, education is important. If we have money, that time
Yeah.
we learn higher studies. We can join the good colleges, and we can learn many things. But some people have don't money. That time they how to handle this situation. Okay.
That time
And
this
also
person.
if you learn many things, that time you need money. If you don't have money,
That time
you
this
will not
person have to
any
go.
institute, any college.
That time this person have to go in any company, in any business. Who
But everyone,
listen. First, let me
yes,
finish.
yes, yes.
Let me
Listen me. In go rural area and people is not educated. That time realize that how can don't read. How can my
That
parents
time they don't
how
have money. They survive in their life.
they realize I am educated and also are go and doing the job and earn the money.
That time I already told you.
What?
That time
If you lost the job means
Lost the job and you have lot of money and
Why you have
yeah, job is in IT job and any sector job and lot of facilities. PF and you have 5 years continue doing the job. You have lot of money and saving the
Yes.
money and also IT company and facility PF and TL tax deposit and all tax facility.
But you can't knowledge.
But you have
But
If
that
you
time-
have education more, then
But you
that
have
time you
more-
have
how
more
to
money.
education more? How to without money you how
everyone
Everywhere
has
government
parents
school,
to
also government
to
college.
educate their childhood. Listen.
Government schools give free education.
Everyone has parents to grow up their child. If they are able to do. Listen.
Government school gives free education.
you have to pay some amount. You
No,
have to pay
no,
Government school gives free education.
Listen. I have some amount. I paid for government school. then I
You won.
gain my knowledge in
No,
government.
government schools don't provide good education.
I agree, money is important, but most are not
Every
important.
parent, every children have parents. You know, and both are important.
Before that, she
Both
said,
are important. Money also
भूल जाते हैं.
important. Education is important.
You misunderstood. She told like that means if you have education means you can see you can do more. You can gain more knowledge.
Yes.
Or you can do masters, or you can go to a foreign university to study.
Before
Without money, you can-
before
Yes,
she
yes,
said,
if you-
before
if
she
you
said,
say-
someone don't have knowledge. That time he work anywhere, any
Outside
organization,
study,
earn
yeah.
money.
Teach them,
Let me complete.
Correct,
Earn
correct.
money, right? Then he study more, invest your money, then
Yes.
earn.
And improve their skills. And improve their skills.
Skill.
Yes.
That time she said education is important. Like that, I have some money. That
She not said like that.
for my opinion.
No, she not said like that.
What's
She-
my opinion? Tell.
She said like she said like that if you have money means you can do more like
No. She said
Outside
actually
people
my
study.
question how to earn money. She said I don't want education. I go for just any organization. I work hard and earn some money. Then slowly earn more money. Then join in a good institute, good university. Then I.
This is
See,
not my
not-
point. Exactly,
she
this
not
is
said
not my
like that.
point. Okay.
You said that.
No,
Listen,
she
first
don't.
listen.
She not said like that.
Listen, I said if many people not are educated, that time they can work outside also. They can earn money without education. In also,
My
in
point
also
is same.
farmer, in
My
also
point is
farmer.
same.
Listen, my point
They,
is same.
these
Farmer-
person.
farmer
He
can
don't have
earn
education,
money.
then earn money.
They
Okay,
people
they
have
people
education.
wanted to suppose you can teach any student. Why? You earn money. That's why you teach a student. You can.
If I have some knowledge, some more knowledge,
Yes.
that time I teach.
How do
teach
you have some more knowledge without money?
Every-
Without, yes, we can learn. We
everywhere
can
the
learn.
student
We can learn. We
when
can.
you consider
Now
consider
today,
and confidence,
now
we
today
have
also
Also,
from that
Listen.
Only I have confidence that time we can learn.
Listen. Now
Listen.
you don't have education. That time
Let-
you
let-
earn
let-
lot of money. You don't have earn.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, education is not means without education. Educated people can live without money.
Yes.
Education people can live with money, so that can be that so that can so educated people that can
Tell.
earn more money and
Educated.
and properly use to
बोलने दो उससे.
How to use money?
how to use money. For
Yes.
example,
Educated people know how to use money.
How to use money? How to manage money?
Uneducated people how to
Yes.
use money. Don't know.
It does not mean if
Why it does not mean? Why? Actually,
First I tell my opinion.
Okay.
After that,
Okay, tell.
if I earn money.
Wait. Tell.
If I earn money, that time I also joined anywhere. I also joined that time. We also. I also.
Where you joined?
That time
Where you
Where you joined?
One-
Where you joined?
Where he
Where
joined?
you joined?
Where she joined?
You are not.
Like,
why you want education now?
You agree? You agree?
Why you?
I never said education is not important. I said education is important.
Huh.
But money
Right,
is
agree.
No, we agree. Education
Education is important. Currently, lots of platforms you use knowledge. No, without money.
You have a mobile.
Yes.
Search
You want
anybody
just
and
mobile.
Suppose you have
बिहारी के पास मोबाइल है.
Nowadays, everyone has mobiles. They can learn.
mobile.
They can learn from there.
they can buy money. Yes.
Without money, how can you buy?
Common.
Everyone has mobiles.
Bigger people also.
Also
Mumbai.
bigger people every time think I do not have any work.
You
I
have lot
can
of money
also,
and money
I
is
have
misuse.
other people's and I can buy money.
Okay,
This
I
is
agree
not-
your point.
This is not education related. This is not
Listen,
buy
Listen, I
money
agree your
related.
point.
Yes.
You before said that when we not educated that
Yes.
time we work hard, then earn money, then go to any university, right? Why you go university? You have lot of money.
I said
You
also I also learned many things. I learned
Because you want to more money. Understood?
More money?
No.
Through education.
more money.
No.
When
If
you get more education, that time you have lot of money, right?
See,
Because
it does not
you
mean
have to
Why?
know your future.
Before you said,
No, no.
you said.
no.
Listen.
Yeah, unnecessary you said.
Yes.
You change your point.
No.
You change your point.
No.
No, it's you change your